Students, let's continue our English unit test, part 2. From this video, I'm going to discuss only fourth question. See, what is the fourth question? Before you move to the fourth question, you need to know what do you mean by singular and plural nouns. Do you know about that? Let's see. What do you mean by noun? Noun is a naming word, a name of a person, an animal, thing, or place. Do you have any idea about singular and plural nouns? Let's see. Nouns can be singular or plural. When you are talking about one person, animal, place, or thing, you use a singular noun. Look, a woman, a train, an owl, a flower, a sheep, all are talking about one person, one thing, or one animal. Some example for singular nouns: an airplane, a bicycle, a boy, a bus, a comb, a key, a letter, a photographer, a refrigerator, a swing, a van. All those are called as singular nouns, talking about one thing, or one place, or one animal, or one person. Do you know about use a, o, and before singular nouns? Use an before words beginning with vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, an axe, an egg, an envelope, an ice cream, an igloo. Likewise. But some words that does not follow this rule. For an example, use a, not an, before these words. Uniform, university, because it's not giving vowel sounds. Uniform gives Y sound. University gives Y sound. Like yellow, U, not a. So it's following by a uniform, a university. Use a before words beginning with the other letters of the alphabet, called consonants. For example, a basket, a car, a hill. But some word does not follow this rule. For an example, use an before these words that begin with H. Honor, hour, because it's not pronouncing H. It gives vowel sounds. Let's move to the plural nouns. When you are talking about two or more people, animals, places, or things, you use a plural nouns. Let's see how to make plural nouns by using singular nouns. Most of the nouns make the plural by adding s to the singular. Look, singular noun bat. How to make it plural? We have to add s at the end of the letter. Word. Mug, mugs. Here are some examples for plural nouns. They are making by adding s to the singular. Bat, bats. Star, stars. Fan, fans. Cap, caps. Mug, mugs. Let's see what are the other methods of making plurals. There are several rules. You have to listen carefully to clarify those things. By adding es to the singular noun ending in these letters, if the singular noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch or x, you need to add es to the singular to make it plural. Let's see some examples. Bus ends with s. To make it plural, you need to add es to the end. Now it's become buses. Brush ends with sh. You need to add es to the end of the singular noun, then it becomes brushes. It's talking about more brush. Box end with x. We need to es to the end. It will become boxes. Here are some examples for that rule. Some plural nouns end in es. When the last letter of singular noun are ch, sh, s, ss or x, you usually add es to the singular noun. Here also giving some example for that rule. Beach ending with ch, add es to the end. Box, boxes. Dress ending with double s, so dresses, add es to the end. Witch, witches, like that. Sandwich, sandwiches. Let's move to the next rule. Nouns end in y. A consonant before it make the plural by changing y to ies. Let's see. Butterfly. Yes, this letter ends with y but preceding a consonant. Before y there's a consonant. L is a consonant letter. So you can remove y and add ies to the end. Lady. This word also ending with y preceding a consonant. That means before y there's a consonant letter. D is a consonant letter. Then you have to remove y and add ies to the end. Lady, ladies. Some examples. Butterfly, butterflies. Lily, lilies. Candy, candies. Here I gave some more examples for you to refer. There's another rule. If any nouns end in Y, a vowel before it, make the plural by adding S, not IES. Let's see. Here are some examples. Key, keys, tray, trays. Turkey, turkeys. Look at the word key, Y, it's end with Y, but there's a vowel before Y. So we just add S only to the singular to make it plural. Tray as same as ends with Y, but preceding a vowel, then just only add S. Here are some examples to you to refer. Next rule. Some, but not all nouns ending FOFE make the plural by removing FOFE and add VS to the singular. Let's see. If a noun ends in F, you often change F to V and add ES. Calf, change F to V and add ES. Calves. Loaf, remove F and add VS. Loaves. Thief, change F to V and add ES. Thieves. Or remove F and add VES. Thieves. As well as some nouns that ends in F just need S to form the plural. Look. Thief, thieves, not thieves. Add only S. Without removing any letter, you just put add. Chef, chef. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Roof, roofs. Words end with FE, you change F to V and add S. Knife, change F to V and add ES. Knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. But you only add S to giraffe to form the plural. The next rule, if the nouns end with O, add ES. Just like tomato, tomatoes, add ES to the end. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. With some nouns that end in O, you can add either S or ES for the plural. Both are correct. Mango, mangoes. Add ES or just add S. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Add ES or S. Some singular nouns totally different with the plural. Look, child, children. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Like that. So it's totally different. Some plural nouns are same as the singular. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Like that. You can use fishes as the plural of fish when you are talking about different kind of fish. All the fishes of the Pacific Ocean. Nouns are always plural. Goggles, spectacles, pliers, jeans, binocular, Likewise, scissor, slippers, shorts, pants. You can make these plural nouns singular by using a pair of, by adding a pair of to the beginning of the word. A pair of binocular, a pair of spectacles, a pair of goggles, a pair of jeans, a pair of shoes. Likewise. You can move to the fourth question. Write the plural. First one, comb. Second one, push. Third one, baby. Fourth one, monkey. Let's see. First one, comb. Comb. By adding s, combs. Brush. Ending with sh, so you need to add es to the end, make it plural. Brushes. Baby. The third question. Baby ends with y preceding a consonant, so you have to add ies by removing y. Babies. Monkey. There's a vowel before y, so just add s to the end. Fifth question, man. Sixth one, lady. Seventh box. Eighth word, loaf. Let's see. Man. It's totally different with the plural. Men. Lady. Ending with y preceding the consonant. So you need to remove y and add es to the end. Box. End with x. What should we do? We need to add es to the end. Loaf. End with f. So you need to change f. Remove f and add vs to the end. Loaves. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you soon with other questions.